The Albatros C.III. The Albatros C.III was a two-seat general-purpose biplane produced by Albatros Flugzeugwerke during World War I. The Albatros C.III, which was an improved version of the popular C-1, was finally built in higher quantities than any other C-type Albatros. Specifications: equipped with one Argus AS3 6-cylinder water-cooled inline piston engine with 180 horsepower, one 7.92mm Parabellum MG-14 machine gun in the observer's cockpit, one forward-firing 7.92mm MG-08 Spandau in the nose, up to 200 pounds of bombs, a top speed of 90 miles per hour, and a service ceiling of 10,990 feet. Design and development. The Albatros C.III was a well-liked aircraft with a robust build and viceless handling, similar to the Albatros C-1. The updated vertical stabilizer was the main distinction between the two. The C-III was more agile because of its lighter weight and lower rounded tail, which was in contrast to the C-1's bigger triangular tail. Similar to many other two-seaters employed during the war, the cylinder heads and exhaust pipes protruded beyond the front fuselage, restricting the pilot's forward view. Operators of the Albatros C.III include Bulgaria, Finland, the German Empire, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Turkey, and Austria-Hungary. The C-III was used as an observation, photo reconnaissance, bomber escort, and light bomber during the war. It was introduced in 1915 and wasn't retired until the war ended in November of 1918. Variants. The W2 had twin floats, a modified Mercedes D2 installation, a new cabin struts, and a significantly bigger fin are all features of this seaplane type. An MG-14 machine gun in the observer's cockpit, and only one was delivered in June 1916. The Albatros C.III was one of the best aircraft for its uses at the time. It was comparable to the Royal Aircraft Factory RE-8. A famous pilot who actually flew the C.III was Manfred von Richthofen, better known as the Red Baron, who flew it on his first flight. If you have any aircraft to recommend, leave them in the comments down below, and as always, I'll see you next time.